Hey y'all, welcome back. I've got your Dollar General best deals for the week of March 15th through March 21st. And this week is packed. We've got easy digital coupons, stock up prices on essentials, and a couple of sneaky matchups you do not want to miss. I'll walk you through the must clip coupons, the hottest savings, and the deals that will stretch your budget the furthest. So grab your Dollar General app, clip along with me, and let's jump into the best ways to save this week at Dollar General. All right, here are two hot Dollar General deals you do not want to skip this week. First up, the Shea Moisture Hair Care. Clip that $2.50 off one digital coupon, and you've got an easy savings on shampoos, conditioners, and styling products. No bundles, no hoops, just clip and save. And deal number two is for my snack lovers. Cheetos are running buy two, get two free promo. And with this deal, there are no coupons to clip, so just grab your Cheetos and head to the checkout. For these next two deals that you can grab this week with zero stress, we're going to look at the Fritos. They're running buy two, get two free. No coupons, no clipping, nothing extra. Just grab your bags, and you only pay for two bags if you want to grab four. Easy savings. Now, this next one is a bundle deal. You'll save $3 instantly when you spend $15 on any of the brands shown. So that's Persil, Snuggle, Dow, All, Purex, and Soft Scrub. And don't forget to check your Dollar General app because a lot of these brands have extra digital coupons you can stack for even bigger savings. Two simple deals, big value. So let's keep going. So now let's talk about this Gain bundle deal because it's a lot of fine print, but once you understand it, the savings are huge. This week at Dollar General, you'll save $5 instantly when you spend $30 on any Gain fabric care products. But here's the catch. Your purchase has to include at least one laundry care item and one fabric enhancer item for the discount to trigger. So think Gain detergent, flings, or liquid as your laundry item, and then add a fabric softener, fireworks, scented beads, or dryer sheets as your enhancer. Before you check out, make sure you clip the $2 and $3 Gain digital coupons in the Dollar General app because those stack on top of the $5 instant savings. So here's an easy Dollar General deal you can grab this week on Tide, Downy, and Bounce. All of these items are priced at $9.95. Notice that in the ad. And when you clip that $2 digital coupon, your final price will drop to just $7.95. This works on Tide Pods, Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent, Downy Scent Beads, Downy Liquid Fabric Softener, Ultra Soft Liquid Softener, Bounce Dryer Sheets, and even the Bounce Pet Mega Sheets. Just open your DG app, clip the $2 digital coupon, pick the product you want, and you're walking out paying under $8. A super simple savings. So this is one of my favorite deals. Dollar General is rolling out 7 days of savings, and that means there's a brand new deal every single day this week. These are quick, limited time offers that change daily. So if you see something you need, grab it while it's hot because it won't be there tomorrow. I'll walk you through each deal so you know exactly what to clip, what to grab, and how to save the most all week long. All right, so I'm going to give you the complete and total breakdown. On day one, Clorox is on sale. It's the perfect time to stock up on cleaning essentials. Day two is True Living scented candles, so grab your favorite scents while they're marked down. Day three is a True Living Fresh Start and Bella Kitchen pantry organizers. All are on sale, so it's a great time to declutter. Day four, you can score big on the Mr. Clean Spin Mop or the Clean All Power Scrubber. Day five is the Comfort Bay bath towels, washcloths, and hand towels. They're discounted so you can refresh your bathroom for less. Day six is buy one, get one on extra laundry detergent. And day seven is the Liquid Plumber Pro Strength Clog Destroyer. It's on sale to help you finish your week strong. If you're building Easter baskets on a budget this year, Dollar General has you completely covered, and you don't have to spend a lot to make something adorable. Let's start with the basics. Easter baskets for just $1. Yep, cute, colorful, and perfect for kids, teens, or even grown-ups who love a little holiday fun. Next, grab your Easter grass, also $1. Whether you want pastel colors, bright neon, or that classic green, it instantly fills out your basket and makes everything look fuller and more festive without spending extra. And now the fun part. Easter basket stuffers for $1. Think toys, candy, bubbles, chalk, mini plushies, stickers, all those little surprises that make kids light up. You can mix and match, build themes, or keep it simple. For just a few dollars, you can create a full personalized Easter basket that looks thoughtful, fun, and totally put together. Cute, affordable, and stress-free. That's how we're doing Easter this year. This is another super simple deal you can grab this week. You'll save $3 instantly when you spend $15 on hefty slider bags or hefty trash bags. The hefty storage slider bags are running 2 for $6, so they're perfect for building up your total. And if you need trash bags, the hefty bags are 2 for $10.50. Mix and match however you want. Just make sure your total hits $15 before tax, so that $3 instant savings kicks in at the register. Easy stock up deal, no coupons needed, and perfect for pantry, kitchen, or spring cleaning. So that wraps up the very best Dollar General deals for this week, from easy digital coupons to instant savings and those hot buy one get one promotions. There's so much you can grab without spending a ton. So make sure everything is clipped in your Dollar General app before you head to the store, and double check your deals so you get every bit of savings at the register. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. I hope you have a fun time shopping, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.